Hello everyone, welcome back to Bullet Journaling with Eve. Today I would like to show you 4 quick and simple ideas that you can use in your bullet journal for weekly spreads. Let's dive in and start with the materials. I will be using the Nara edition bullet journal by Notebook Therapy. You will need also a ruler, eraser, pencil, some point liners and calligraphy pen for titles. Additionally, I will be using acrylic markers, washi tape, and this circle stencil, which will make decoration much easier. Let's start with the first of our 4 spreads. I have a page divided into 3 equal parts. One section will be for the weekend, while the other 2 horizontal parts will represent the weekdays. The small vertical section represents the weekend. I will draw lines to separate the weekdays, and that's it. Then I will decorate the little empty section with circles. Before that, I will write the days. The decoration is really easy. I am just using the circle stencil. For the second spread, I will begin with decoration. I will use washi tape to create a crisp line at the top and the bottom of the page. I started with the top of the page. As you can see, I have 5 large rectangles for the weekdays and 2 small squares for the weekend. After writing the dates, this spread is also done. For the third spread, each day will have the same amount of space, including the weekends. Once again, I am decorating with circles, writing the dates, and then erasing the pencil marks that were my grid. Since there are only 3 days on this spread, I will start by decorating each section, writing my tasks where I have the date numbers, and that's all. That's everything I prepared for today. However, I felt like something was missing, so I decided to add some more decoration with the Blue Matte acrylic marker, but you can skip this part if you like. Don't forget to check my community page or follow me on Instagram next Wednesday. I will be posting a poll so we can pick the theme for November together. Now, let's review everything. We have 4 different one-page weekly spreads that I find ideal for summer. During this time, I usually have fewer tasks, so I don't need a lot of space for each day. This layout allows me to save space in my bullet journal while still looking really nice. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like. If you are not subscribed yet, subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any uploads. I will see you next Friday. Bye!